How's it going, everyone? Laser here, and today we will be unboxing the Gigabyte RTX 4070 Ti gaming OC version. Alright, so this is all you get from the box: the GPU, power adapter, and a mounting bracket to prevent sagging. Let's start with opening the GPU. So here is the GPU. It's quite big, quite heavy. Triple fan cooling design, very similar to other stuff. And if you just look at the, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see through the fins, but this thing is just massive. I mean, the PCB ends somewhere around here, and the rest is just pure radiator. So it's pretty big, but it also means that it's going to handle the temperatures really well. I am a bit disappointed that the manufacturers for the new generation decided to just slap basically the same cooler design for every card and making them really big. But well, this is just the reality we have to live in. Here at the top we have a 12-volt high power connector which will power the card through the adapter which you have over here. Please be sure to properly connect it all the way in, so there is no spacing between it. I have a dedicated video on my channel, a short video on it. If you want to check it out, feel free to do so. Right next to the power connector we have a switch with OC and quiet mode, although I have never found any use for the switches. It's nice that it's here, but honestly I don't think it does much in terms of either performance or how quiet the card will run. So yeah, the card is pretty heavy, and so I'm really happy to see that Gigabyte also includes a support bracket which will help keep the card in place and prevent it from sagging. I'm not sure how you actually do mount this, so probably we'll have to do some experimenting. It looks a bit complicated, but probably the instruction tells everything. Apart from that, we have a standard Gigabyte welcome pamphlet. We have a warranty card here. We have a manual here. Nothing out of the ordinary. So yeah, the card is made out of plastic, which is a bit disappointing, but this is, let's say, a budget version of the product from Gigabyte. If you want something more premium feeling, go with ours and you probably won't be disappointed. Assuming you can fit the Ares version into your case, because that card is just absolutely massive in terms of cooling. The back plate here is made of metal, which is really nice. Okay, you have everything here nicely described, BIOS, OC style, and pretty self-explanatory. And there is a protective foil at the back of the card, which is really great, really nice. And yeah, basically that's it. In terms of connectivity, we have 3 DisplayPort connectors and 1 HDMI connector. I believe the HDMI is 2.1. If you were wondering how to connect the support bracket, there's the whole installation guide is in the box and you can find it over here. You will require some like the dedicated spacers here, which are included out of the box, and you can just mount it next to your or actually on your motherboard tray, and have the GPU connected directly to your case and like directly to your motherboard, which is quite an interesting solution. The GPU has 12 gigabytes of GDDR6X memory with 192-bit bus, and in order to power it you will need at least 750 watts power supply. Alright, and that's it for today's video. I'm going to test the GPU, so if you're looking for some benchmarks, remember to subscribe to stay up to date. If you have any questions, would like to see something specific tested, leave the request down in the comments below and I'll try to, if possible, get it done. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Laser, and I'll see you soon.